Tired of noise and messes of mowing? Dreaming of a decent holiday? Tron arrives. The first AI vision mowing robot with an auto-mulching feature. Equipped with an evolutionary TOF and 6-camera 360-degree air vision system, Tron provides deep AI learning and visually positioning capabilities.
AirSeeker's Tron is the robot lawn mower that actually makes your grass healthier. Lawn care isn't just about cutting grass. As spring and summer roll around and temperatures start to climb, any homeowner with a front or backyard starts feeling the dread of lawn maintenance. Instead of actually enjoying the outdoors, you might end up spending your weekends dealing with fumes and noise as you lug that heavy mower around. And it's not a one-time task either. Everyone wants a nice lawn, of course, but what if you could not only automate the whole thing but also make the grass healthier? That's where AirSeekers comes in with the Tron robotic lawn mower. After 3 years of testing, iteration, market validation, and product refinement since their successful crowdfunding campaign in 2023, the AirSeekers Tron is ready to provide the ultra lawn care experience you've been looking for. It's the only robot mower brand that combines aerodynamics with a cutting disc. It addresses user pain points like grass being flattened, frayed, and clumped. Here's what you need to know. FlowCut technology gives you a healthier lawn. The headline feature of the AirSeekers Tron is FlowCut technology. It's a world-first mulching system that integrates 4 distinct functions into a single pass: vacuum, divide, cut, and mulch. While most mowers cut grass and discharge the clippings, the Tron cuts the grass, then pulverizes those clippings into microfine particles using a dual-layer blade system spinning at 3,000 revolutions per minute, and returns them evenly to the soil as natural fertilizer. Inside the Tron's X-shaped vortex mulching chamber, an aerodynamic grass-lifting fan pulls blades of grass upright before they're cut, providing a cleaner, more uniform result. The dual-layer flail system then strikes each blade multiple times, reducing clippings to particles 30% finer than those produced by standard mowers. Those microparticles don't just sit on top of the lawn. They decompose quickly, forming a natural, biodegradable layer that locks in soil moisture, up to 25% better retention than unmulched lawns, suppresses weeds, and feeds the soil with natural elements. It's the kind of thing you might have seen professional landscapers do manually. But Tron fully automates the process, requiring no human intervention. The results become obvious over time. The more regularly it runs, the healthier and more resilient your lawn becomes, naturally requiring less watering and fewer interventions to stay looking pristine.